everyone, welcome to our video. Today we'll begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 3 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with our new chapter, that is chapter number 32, Geographical Nicknames. There are certain places in the world which are known by their nickname, and today we are going to study about those places in the world. Now let's read it quickly. Some places have unique nicknames due to their specific geographical features. कुछ जगहों के अपने special geographical features की वजह से उनको nickname दिया गया है, and some of them are given here in this chapter. What you have to do is you have to match those nicknames with their places. Let's now begin with the first one, that is the Windy City. So what is the answer for this question? The answer for Windy City is here Chicago. Chicago is the answer for Windy City. Then we have the second one. The second nickname is Emerald Isles. Emerald Isle is known for Ireland. Then we have the third one, that is the Sugar Bowl of the world, and the answer for this is Cuba. Then we have the fourth one, that is Land of Thousand Lakes, and the answer for this is Finland. Then the fifth one is Land of the Midnight Sun, and the answer for this is Norway. Then we have the sixth one, that is Land of White Elephants, and the answer for this question is Thailand. Next we have the Cockpit of Europe, and the answer for this is Belgium. Next we have Land Down Under, and the answer for this question is Australia. Then the next, that is the ninth one, is City of the Golden Gate, and the answer for this question is San Francisco. Next we have the 10th one, that is the Middle Kingdom, and the answer for Middle Kingdom is China. Then we have the last one, that is the 11th one, Queen of the Arabian Sea. And this is the name for a place which is situated in India, which is known as Kochi. So this was all about the first question of this chapter. Let's now move on to the next question. Let's now begin with the B question, and it says that you have to test your geographical information by answering the following questions. The first question is, which country is known as the Rainbow Nation? And the answer for this question is South Africa. Then the next question is, which British town is also known as the City of Dreaming Spires? And the answer for this question is Oxford. Then we have the next question, which ancient city is also known as the Queen of the Adriatic? And the answer for this is Venice. Next we have the last question, which country is known as the playground of Europe? And the answer for this question is Switzerland. You can also see the answers given here in the help desk. So this was all about chapter number 32. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.